What's going on? So today we got a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is Irresponsible Mom Tries to Flee Brutal Crash Scene with Baby in Her Arms. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
How what started as a call about gunshots turned into something completely unexpected.
Doesn't look like it's occupied. Anyone in there? There's two bumpers. Yeah. Well, there's one over there too.
You said there was a tire, right?
There's a bumper right there.
There's a tire in the road over here.
So this bumper matches that paint.
Yeah, but this the rear bumper's still on. So what other bumper is there?
Looks like it might be a two-vehicle collision based on the roadway evidence. One vehicle should be missing a tire.
It's like it almost looks like it was a parked car or something. There's no one ejected, right, from that window?
That's what I'm saying,
Like over here in this yard?
Dude.
Check the trees. I've seen that before. It's not like we got here late. Like we would see someone moving.
You said you saw the driver?
As soon as you guys started flying down the road, I kept hearing like a car door. She got out of the car and grabbed her child that was in an infant car seat, hauling ass down here, and she went somewhere back here in our neighborhood.
Okay.
She's tall, her hair's done up, and it looks black girl, and she's got like a little coat on.
Okay.
I mean, she legit was trying to get that door open, and then, she was hot-footed this way.
Back, so she saw us?
I'm assuming,
guessing?
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, she wasn't wasting no time to getting out of that car.
Yeah, there's diapers in there, so that makes sense.
We're right here. Take your
Are you
time.
gonna be up?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna come back. We're gonna go see if we can find her.
Hey. Were you just involved in a crash?
Come on. You running from the scene like they can't look up your license plate? They gonna find whoever car it is anyway. What's the point in running? That don't even make no sense, man.
Yes.
Okay. I'm 1012 with that female. Can I have another unit, please? Okay. What is going on?
Just me.
Okay.
I just got a little tipsy. Was trying to drive home.
Okay.
That's it.
Where's your baby at?
No, he's at my grandma. She was watching him for the time being. I was on the way to pick him up. I didn't even get a chance to pick him up yet.
Okay.
But he's still there.
You want to fix yourself because you're
Yeah. Sorry.
Yep. No, just want to make sure you fix yourself there.
Okay.
Okay. What happened?
I was just on my way to pick my baby. I'm just a little tipsy. I should never been driving.
Where's your baby?
He's at my grandmother's.
Which house?
Right there.
What's the address?
I didn't have him. He's right there. At the,
You have ID on you?
It's in the car.
It's in the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she was
But it's that white building?
Yeah, she was watching him the whole time. I was on the way to pick him up. Didn't even get a chance to pick him up yet.
203-2. She is advising it is her vehicle.
Come on now. She's so intoxicated, she's not even picking up what the police is putting down. How do you think they know you have a baby? They don't know you from a can of paint. How do you think that they know that you got a baby? And you gonna sit there and lie and say that, oh, she was watching it the whole time, yada, yada, yada. Come on, man. Get it together.
And she did crash the vehicle. Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Are you injured?
No.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I was trying to figure out how to start the car back up, but it wasn't starting. I told them I wasn't good to drive, but they said they advised that I drive my car back home.
Who are you talking about?
My brother and his friends.
Is everybody else supposed to be in there?
No, just my baby, my grandmother, and that's it. She was watching the baby for me while I went out for the night. And I was coming back to get him, but I didn't get to pick him up yet because I was going down that road. And I told
Do you live here?
No.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, how old is that child?
My baby?
Yeah.
Oh, he's, I'm not old.
He looks newborn.
Yeah,
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's fine.
Okay, well, we've got some rescue guys coming to take a look at him because he was just involved in a crash.
Okay.
Do you mind stepping out so they can take a look at him, make sure everything's okay?
Yes, sir. I just picked him up and...
Has he been crying, or?
No, I've been with him all day until just whatever lately.
I know, but we know he was just in a crash.
Yes.
Okay. Has he been crying at all or making any noise?
Not since you come back.
All right, he must be tired.
I am.
Well, you and him. Is anybody else inside here?
My husband.
Okay. All right. Did she say what happened when she came back?
She said she had a little crash or something.
Okay.
Accident. She down there now?
She's talking to some officers.
Okay.
Why didn't you just call police?
I should have. I know.
Let me see your mouth. Can you smile for me? It looks like you might have some. Okay.
Just liquor. Like, me and my brother went to have a few drinks, and I was going home.
Can you just stay with her? I'm going to pull over out of the road. Just talk to him for a minute. I'm going to pull out.
I was supposed to pick him up. I was going to pick him up in the morning. I was going home. I don't know.
Who are you supposed to pick up?
My son, but I was going to pick him up in the morning. So I was going home.
And this is where your son's at right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Were you going this way or this way?
This way.
This way.
Yes.
Okay, so you missed your turn.
No, I was going up and I was going to turn right there on.
Okay. After picking him up. Or before?
Yes, but I didn't even get a chance to pick him up
Okay.
yet because it's so late, you know?
Yeah.
That's why I told them I shouldn't drive home. I told them they should have took me home.
Were you injured?
No.
You need an ambulance?
No.
Okay. Where was that child sitting in the car? Because I didn't see it sit in that car seat.
No, he's in there with my grandmother.
He wasn't in the car. Oh, he wasn't in the car.
No.
She was going to pick her son
I
up.
was going to pick him up, but I was going to go straight home.
Because the witnesses were saying that there was a baby.
No, no.
Hey, did she have a car seat when she came back in with her?
Yeah.
Where's the car seat?
Oh, it's inside my house.
Do you mind if I go in and take a look at it? All right. I'm going to let these guys take a look.
Listen, okay, all jokes aside, right? Your grandmother, okay, is telling me that you walked, and a witness told me that you walked from that car with a car seat and that child. Okay? The child was in the car, I need to know.
I picked him up.
Was the child in that car?
Yeah.
Okay, where was the child sitting and how were they positioned? Okay, right or left side?
Left. I mean the right.
Okay, so they were on the passenger side?
No, in the back seat. On the right side.
Right. Okay, where is the car seat right now?
The car seat's in the house.
Okay, I need to go in and check that car seat. The crazy thing is, I don't know if you guys were on the scene, but like the seatbelt in the front seat was clipped in. And the back seat looks like there's a lot of stuff back there, so I don't know where this engine could have been back there.
And that the front passenger side took
That
like
front
the front of
passenger side is destroyed.
took the front of the damage, like all of it.
That's where I'm assuming he was sitting.
So you're 100% certain like the kid was in the back seat, not the front seat. Just because they.
Damn, that's so. You know, babies are fragile. You know what I'm saying? Any little thing could really jack them up. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why you got to be careful, like, rocking them too hard or shaking. You know what I'm saying? Because their brain is things bouncing around in there. You know what I'm saying? It ain't even stable yet. You know what I mean? And to get into a car accident at that age, that could be, yeah, some serious damage done to that child, man. She's a hot mess, man. Hot mess.
Like they're very worried about your kids, so that they need to know. Like
I know.
the truth.
I understand.
Okay.
The baby's good. I mean, she was literally hot footing it right past me, right down the sidewalk, holding the child in the left arm.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna relay that.
So it looks like he only has a little abrasion on his finger, right? That could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, I know. I told them I could not drive. They didn't want to drive me home.
They actually got video footage of her carrying the.
That's no excuse. That's no excuse. You always have Uber on your phone. Lyft, Uber, whatever it is that you want to take. Damn, to not, it's one thing to put your life at jeopardy. Like, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody perfect, right? People have whatever, right? But to put your child's life at jeopardy like that is a whole nother ball game.
Child from the crash scene in front of her house, of their house. Did you see her driving or no?
No, we were dead.
It definitely looks.
No, we were dead asleep, and we heard boom, and I woke up and said somebody just crashed. My wife hauled ass out here and saw the car over
Someone
there.
called in a burglary. They thought they were breaking in their house.
Oh.
And then they must have heard boom, boom, and they thought they were gunshots. Yeah.
Well, she obviously hit the median.
Hit the sign, then hit the tree.
Yeah, and then made it over to where the tree was.
So.
Okay. How long has it been since your last drink?
Probably like 12, 1.
Nothing to drink since 1 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you have anything to drink after the crash?
No.
All right. You don't have any injuries?
No.
Other than what's from the crash? What is anything?
Like this is kind of sore, but that's about it. My leg's kind of sore.
Your left leg is sore?
Yeah.
And I saw the blood on your teeth?
Yeah,
Okay.
my mouth is sore.
All right. It's probably going to be a lot more sore
I don't
later.
even remember how I crashed. Like, it's
Okay.
crazy.
Do you?
Look, my boy right here, because her cleavage is showing and all that. My boy right here, he fighting for his life, not trying to look, boy. Look at my man right here. Look at him. Look, my boy's struggling. He looking at that phone real hard.
Okay. And did you have anything to drink after the crash?
No.
All right. You don't have any injuries?
No.
Other than what's from the crash? What is anything?
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Sore, but that's about it. My leg's kind of sore.
Your
but
left leg is sore?
Yeah.
And I saw the blood on your teeth?
Yeah,
Okay.
my mouth
Look
is
at him.
sore.
Looking over.
It's probably going to be a lot more sore
I
later.
don't remember how I crashed. Like, it's
Okay.
crazy.
Do you think it was safe for you to be driving?
No, I don't. I
Okay.
told him he should have took me home, but he had other things to do, so just to
I
be
heard you say earlier you felt like you were a little tipsy.
Yeah, to be driving.
Okay.
I felt like he should have dropped me off home and I could have came and picked my car up tomorrow.
So look, one of my jobs is to make sure that it's safe for people on the roadway.
I know.
And one of the ways that we do that is to do field sobriety tests. Is that something you'd be willing to do?
I'm down for it.
All right. I'm going to explain and demonstrate each test. So for this first test, I want you to stand with your feet together, heels touching. Keep your arms down by your side. And you're going to follow the tip of the stimulus with your eyes and your eyes only. Once the test begins, I don't want you to stop looking at the tip of the pen. Okay?
Oh, yeah, she cooked. She swaying.
You okay?
and
Keep
shit.
looking at the pen. Try and stay still for me, okay, Tyree? Okay. So the starting position, take your left foot and place it on the line, and then take your right foot and place it directly in front of your left foot. You can begin whenever you're ready.
1call 9 dispatch.
What is that going to be? Child endangerment? Maybe she going to get? And definitely DUI.
The next one is the one-leg stand test. You're going to start with your feet together, hands by your side. Whichever foot you choose, you're going to raise it about 6 inches off the ground and count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. All right, Taria, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for DUI, okay? You got your shoes back on? Okay. Taria, I don't think you do, but do you have anything on you right now you're not supposed to have?
No. My charger and stuff was in my pocket.
Okay. Not or like any kind of narcotics,
No.
hidden weapons. Okay. I'm gonna have you stand with your back up to the grill of my car, and I'm gonna work on getting your property for you while we wait for a female officer.
All right. I got you. You're not gonna fall. This is just.
Right down.
And you guys
Two-piece
found
or-
my phone.
We're gonna stop by the car, and I'm gonna try and pick up the property.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right. Just hang tight here, okay?
She was charged with DUI, leaving the scene of a crash and child neglect.
Okay, child neglect. Okay. I was saying child endangerment, child neglect. Okay. All right. I was just curious if she was going to get something for the child, you know, for having a child in the vehicle. Okay. Yeah, she's that's crazy. Like I said, it's one thing to put yourself at risk. You know, if you've been drinking and you gonna drive or whatever, you know, just know the consequences that come with it, right? But to put your baby at risk, oh yeah, nah. Come on now, that's crazy. Saying, you know, damn, you know. But anyway, I think the cops did a pretty good job. It was a collective effort, actually, you know, with the witnesses and everybody and stuff like that, and even the fire department that came, or not the fire department, but the EMTs and stuff. I like that one EMT. He was like, "Yo, I need to know right now, was that baby in that car? Like, yeah, let cut the bullshit." You know what I'm saying? I like that. I was like, "Oh yeah, yep." You know what I'm saying? Because she was bullshitting. And everybody already know it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna definitely give them a 4 out of 5. They did a pretty good job.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.